Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Taufik and I'm here to do some video for a job application for teaching skills. So here we are. Hello, I'm Marfa Morlia Taufik. I'm a first year studying English education at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. I am looking for a full-time position at English First Tutoring. I have I have so many skills to contribute, including have some more passion for children and some basic teaching skills. Previously, I worked at Al Burhan Playground. In Al Burhan Playground, I am a teacher's assistant and also helping the students to do their work and helping them practicing their dance for school performance. I am looking to gain a better understandings of my skill in teaching children. That's all. Thank you.